In this video, you will learn how to bulk forward multiple messages and emails in Gmail at once. Open Gmail, look into your Gmail account on your browser or app, install a forwarding add-on. Since Gmail does not have a built-in bulk forward option, you will need to install a Chrome extension like Multi-Email Forward for Gmail. Select multiple emails, and go to the back of Gmail, open your inbox and check on the boxes to ensure all the emails you want to forward. Click forward icon, then the add-on. After installing your add-on, you will see a new forward button added by the extension. Make sure to select all your emails, then click forward. Enter the recipient address. Type in the email address you want to forward these selected emails to. Confirm and then send. Click forward and send and your selected emails will be forwarded all at once. Now you know. Now you know how to bulk forward multiple emails in Gmail at once. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.